Hi guys, today I decided to clean my fridge. As you can see, it's very dirty inside, so we are going to clean the fridge together, or remove the shelves inside, or everything out, the water dispenser, and we leave everything at the sink. The shelves, we're going to take them out, the trays out, everything. You have to get ready to clean our fridge. You have to be careful with the glasses, so that we don't break them. Okay, the water dispenser, we open it as well so that we can clean inside. Right, so again, vinegar, lemon, and soda, bicarbonate of soda, right? So put 2 teaspoons of soda in the water in the dish, lemon juice, and vinegar, right? Then we have our cloth that we are going to use too, and some little bit of sunlight. So our cloth we put in the water that we mixed, and we start to clean the water dispenser first. Right, so we have to clean it. Remember, we'll have to clean it nicely as well so that it has to have fresh water. Right, so we go inside, we clean with our water, lemon water, vinegar, and bicarbonate of soda. Reason why we use bicarbonate soda, lemon, and vinegar. Bicarbonate soda and vinegar is good for disinfection. Then soda, then lemon is good for the freshening up, right? So yeah, if you have stubborn stains, you can add some little bit of bicarbonate soda on your cloth and just scrub a little bit. Don't scratch anything. It doesn't scratch anything, Sometimes the things, they start to have scratches because we are using rough pages on our pots, on our fridges, on our things that are delicate, So use bicarbonate of soda. It's very, very much good, and it will also clean perfectly. So yeah, now I'm rinsing my cloth so that I'll be able to use a clean cloth now, as we used the one which was wet. This is the clean one we cleaning. Then we're going to take the dry one. Then we wipe it to dry inside, right? This is a dry cloth, remember, so we are wiping it to dry inside, right? Then when we're fine, right, then we start by cleaning our things. This is the one that closes the water dispenser. We clean everything nicely, clean it perfectly. We go rinse it with the running water, right? Then we put it aside, right? We put lemon water in the electric jug that we've boiled water. Then we put also vinegar. We're going to add vinegar, yes. Then we are going to put this water in the dispenser so that we can rinse out the one that we were cleaning. Remember, we cleaned it at first. So we are going to clean now our shelves with our water, lemon water, vinegar, and bicarbonate of soda. You see, we're cleaning the glasses, cleaning them nicely without scratching, without breaking. We have to hold them nicely, right? Then we rinse them at the tap water. We rinse, we take a dry cloth. Oh, there was a stain, then we rinse again, right? Dry cloth, wipe them nicely, right? Thank you. Then we put it back. Okay, perfect. Put it back, we take another one, we do the same thing again. Always use lemon water, bicarbonate of soda, some little bit of sunlight, and the vinegar. Any vinegar that you have in your house can work, right? We're still doing it, rinsing on the tap with the running water, right? We wipe again. So wiping, then we put it back on this shelf there. Put it back on its shelf. We had put it wrong, so we are fixing it. I put it wrong, right? Okay, yes, we still at it again, washing it nicely. we are still at it. We are still at it, finishing our shelves. Now we are doing the tray that stays the tomatoes and all the veggies in the fridge. We are cleaning it. The shelf, this tray. So now I was cleaning outside. Now putting back those shelves back. And then here I am. Right, perfect. Nice. Yeah. There we are. So we are now taking out the water from the dispenser. Remember, we said that water we are going to throw it away, the one that we boiled. So we are going to throw it. We're using the dish to take out all the water from inside. Then we are throwing that water. Then we are going to put again another water in the dispenser so that we rinse again and throw it away. You see, we are taking it out again. Now we have put our water, the one that we drink. Now we are putting everything back. We are putting everything back in the fridge where it stays, because now our fridge is very clean and we are ready. We are ready for closing it into other things. So thank you so much, guys, for cleaning my fridge together. Thank you so much to those who are seeing me for the first time. Kindly subscribe and drop your comment. What do you think? What do you use in your house to clean the fridge? Thank you so much, guys. Until we meet again, I love you all.